What's up, YouTube? It's Eli and I'm back again on another video. And today for you guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys my fresh cut method. This is what you do after a fresh cut, to get your wave silky, shiny, and just, lay it down and to moisturize it. So, and the first thing you wanna do after a fresh cut, well, I got my fresh cut yesterday, but the first thing you wanna do after a fresh cut is when you come home is to get like an old brush that you don't use no more, or like a little brush that you have, like a daily brush, and just brush out your hair. Just brush your hair real quick. Get like a 2-3 minute session and just brush out all the loose hairs. And after you brush out the loose hairs, what you want to do is just get a medium brush and go on a nice session. When it comes to what products to use after a fresh cut, you want to use something light, like an oil, a butter, or a moisturizer. You don't want to use a pomade on a fresh cut. What you don't want to do on a fresh cut is wash your hair after a fresh cut. You don't want to do that. You don't want to use a pomade, and you don't want to use a hard brush. Just stick to medium, soft, and soft brushes. No hard brushes. And then also, you guys, and then lastly, like the most important thing after a fresh cut is to really put in that work. Really go crazy, because that's when you're going to get the most progress, because your hair is low and you have a lot of new growth. You cut off all the dead growth on top, now you got the new growth. That's basically it after a fresh cut. You just want to moisturize and brush. Basically, I'm going to be using this today. This is some royal thickening butter, because my hair is low and this makes your hair thick. And I want my hair to be thick, so I'm going to use some royal thickening butter, RTB. I'm going to use that and just get a light session in and then rag up. This is how I'm looking, you guys. I currently lost some progress on my sides and my crown, but that's because I cut my crown low. So next time, you guys, I'm gonna be cutting my hair at a 2 and my crown at a 2.5. Whatever you cut your hair to, you want to keep your crown, a little bit higher, because your crown is so thin, so you want to keep it a little bit thicker. So that's what I'm going to do next time. I'm just going to put in some work on this wolf session, and then my next cut, I'm going to be good to go. That is about it, you guys. So now I'm just going to get a nice brush session in. If you guys have a brush, you could pick it up and brush with me. All right, you guys, now after you got in your session with your medium or soft brush or both, now you just want to rag up. And you guys, again, I thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. And like I said, the giveaway is coming soon. Like I said before, I had told you guys that I was gonna make a video about it. That actually, I'm not gonna make a video. I'm just going to post I'm gonna post a community tab. I'm gonna make a community post, and then you guys could comment on it. I'm gonna make a community post and let you guys know what to do to enter the giveaway, and then you know you guys can go from there. So if you don't have on your post notifications, if you're not following me on IG, I suggest you do that now, so you guys can know what's going on with the giveaway. I made a poll before earlier asking you guys what I should do for the giveaway, and most of you guys voted for a brush giveaway. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be giving away a brush to 2 people. I'm gonna be giving away a brush to 2 individuals. So and 2 people have a chance to win a brush. And you know, once again, and thank you guys for 1K subs. I really appreciate it. You know, I love each and every one of you guys. And as always, stay wavy.